Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see your password on TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. First of all, go and open your TikTok app. So as you can see now, after you open up your TikTok app, all you have to do now tap on this menu at the bottom right side. As you can see now, this profile, tap on it. So as you can see now, here is now my TikTok. Now if I want to now sign up or I want to sign in, now it will ask me my password, but I forgot my password. How can I get the password? All you have to do now, close your TikTok app. After you close your TikTok app, now go and open your Gmail app. As you can see now, go and search for your Gmail app. So I'll just go and search for my Gmail app. Here is it. After you open up your Gmail app, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the top right side, your profile icon. So now scroll to down and tap on this where it says, as you can see now, tap on this where it says manage account on this device. So as you can see now, in this section, all you have to do now, you can see where it says password. As you can see now, here it says Google and password. This one, tap on it. So as you can see now, under this section now, we can be able now to see all your password that has been saved on your phone. As you can see now, scroll to down and search for TikTok. As you can see now, if I scroll to down, as you can see now, here is tiktok.com. So tap on it. So now it will ask you now to confirm your password before you continue, to make sure it is you. As you can see now here is the TikTok. As you can see now, here is my password now. As you can see, here is my password now. Now you can be able now to copy your password by typing on this copy section and go and open your TikTok app. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.